Enumeration data type. Enumeration is a user-defined data type in C. It is mainly used to assign names to an integral constant. That is, the names make a program easy to read and maintain. The enumeration names are usually identifiers that behave as constants in the language. The keyword for enumeration is enum. The syntax is enum followed by the identifier name or the variable name. Within the curly braces, we are going to write the list of constants. Each and every list of constants should be separated by comma. Next example, enum week underscore days of Sunday, comma Monday, comma Tuesday, comma Wednesday, comma Thursday, and closing the curly brace with a semicolon. Next, enum week underscore days space day. Now, if I am allocating day equal to Tuesday, that is day is equal to Tuesday, the output will be 2. So, how we got this output is, here the constants will be represented with an integer value and the default integer value will start from 0. So, Sunday will be allocated with 0, Monday will be allocated with 1, Tuesday is 2. Now, anywhere if you are reinitializing the value, imagine if I am initializing the Monday value to 10, now what will be the Tuesday value? The Tuesday value will become 11. That is, the value has been modified. So, this is how we are going to use the enumeration data type.
Let us see one example program.
The next problem statement is to implement the concept of enumeration. So, enumeration is a data type. Enumeration data type. So, enumeration data type, the keyword for this is enum. The keyword for this is enum, and the syntax for this is the syntax for enum. So, enum followed by the name of what is the enumerated type which you want to use, followed by the value 1, value 2, and so on. Then you are going to close it, the flower bracket and semicolon. So, if you want to access any value constant related to this enumeration type, you can access it. Now, let us see one example related to this. Hash include studio.h int main. So, I am reading I value. I am just initializing the I value. Next, the enum month. So, I have given all the values within this. Now, we need to remember one important point related to enum is enum, the value starts from 0. Enum, whatever the value 1 which you are using by default, the value will start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, you are going to get like this. Now, let me execute this code and check what are the values which you are going to get for enum. So, you are going to get the values from 0 to 10. Now, if I want to start these values, like I want to give the exact value, so I can just write it as Jan equal to 1, next January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Next I want to give November, December. Now if I want to print the name of this month from 1 to 12, just I am starting this Jan equal to 1, immediately the next value will be 2. Okay, now let me execute with another test case and show you the output 1 to 12. So this is how the enum is used for creating the integral constant, and the value will be starting from 0 till whatever the number of elements will be there, and those values you can also access with the help of the month name. Okay, so this is how we use the enum data type. It is an user defined data type. The next program related to enum. The problem statement is to implement the concept of enumeration data type and print the value of it, and we want to print the value of it, that is enumerated value. Now enum week is the enumeration name in which I have set the values as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now enumeration week day. Now this is a user defined data type for which I have created an identifier day. Day equal to Friday. Day equal to Friday. Now what is that you are going to print for this is, as the value of enumeration will start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the value of Friday is 4, which is stored in day. Then we are going to print the value of day. Now let me execute and show you whether we are going to get the value as 4 or not. not. So the value is 4. Now imagine there is also some of the interview questions or some of the competitive exams, they will try to give this kind of a question. Like if they set the value of Wednesday as 20, now tell me the value of Friday. What will be the value of Friday? So it is very simple that Monday starts from 0, Tuesday is 1, Wednesday is updated to 20, which means the next immediate value of this will be 21. Thursday will be 21, Friday will be 22. Now let me execute and show you whether we are going to get the value as 22 or not. So the value is 22. You can observe here the value is 22. So whatever the value whichever you are updating, the next immediate value will flow according to the given sequence and it will be incremented by 1. Now imagine if I have changed here the Thursday value as 40. Now it will not be 22, it will be 41. The Friday value will be 41. Let me run with the test case and show you the output for this. The output will be 41. So this is how we can access the values of integral values of the given enumerated data type. The next problem statement is to copy the contents of one string to another string using pointers. The next problem statement is to copy the contents of one string to another string using pointers. This is the next problem statement. Here I'll take char string 1 with some size. Next the another string with a pointer str2 with some size, or directly I can give str2 and the memory will be allocated at runtime. Now I am entering to the user. Now I am asking the user to enter the string. I'm asking the user to enter the string in string 1, right? Scanf. So we can use the scanf, that is percentile yes followed by in str1. So in str1 I am reading a string. Now the next one is, as soon as we read the string, now I am allocating str2 equal to address of str1. So I am giving the base address of the first string str1 in str2. Now next I am checking the condition. Till it satisfies, I need to print each and every individual character by character. That is, if the given condition while str2 is nothing but the contents of the string 2, till it is not equal to null. I want to execute this particular while loop. Now within this while loop, I am going to print individual characters of the given string 1. That is, character by character we want to print percentile C, followed by we need to give the pointer variable name, that is str2, because in the str2 we have the actual value. Next I am incrementing the pointer value str2 plus str2 plus. So after this while loop condition has been satisfied, next I am going to execute this code and check whether the contents of string 1 are successfully copied into string 2. Now let me execute this code. So here I am asking the user to enter the string. I am entering the string as Virtulearn. As soon as I hit enter, so Virtulearn has been printed. Virtulearn is printed. So here if you want a different variation here, printf the copied content of string 1 into string 2 are. So I am accessing with string 2. If you can closely watch here, I am accessing with string 2. Now let me execute this code once again with another test case and show you how we are going to get the value. So here I am missing with a semicolon, that is the reason I got an error. So once again I have modified it and I am giving you the compiling program. Let us check with the given input which is at runtime. Let me give the second the test case. Let me give the another string. So the another string is happy learning. So the copied contents of string 1 into string 2 are happy learning. So with this you clearly understood how to copy the contents with the help of pointers.